blown away by the community that he has cultivated over the past few years, and just how much of a need that this event is filling in the architecture space. You know, not being an architect myself, like, I don't know, I just feel like this community is just like hungry for it, and they're open to learning and growing, and they're open to meeting new people and learning new things and having this opportunity for it, this beautiful blend of personal and professional development. And that's what I think is so awesome about this event. It's unique, it's different. And I've also just been blown away by the diversity of the audience and the attendees and the speakers. And it just feels like Michael really wants to make this approachable and accessible for anyone and everyone who wants to be there. And like paying it forward and having people, pay for someone else to attend the event, and having scholarships, and like having the price point be so low for like a full-on 5-day event where they get the recordings and they get access to all of this like incredible knowledge and wisdom. I mean, I just think it's been such an honor to be a part of the whole experience, to be honest. One of the things that I've really begun to see through like facilitating and creating these networking parties and events during the conference is how powerful they are. And the power of the like random breakout rooms and people getting paired up with folks that they wouldn't normally maybe meet or wouldn't normally go up and talk to even at a live event. And so many of them came back and they're like, oh my God, I learned so much about the other people in my group, but there were so many similarities. And I think that that's like the power, I call it like the power of a prompt, and just inviting people to connect. And everybody who's showing up at those evening events, like they're there to meet and connect with other people. And that is such an intentional space where they can be, even though they might be a little bit nervous, that like everyone's in the same boat. And my goal and my job during those is to really make it easier for them to connect with each other. One of the ways that people just stay engaged and keep coming back for more is they feel like they're a part of something. And I think that everyone wants something to believe in and belong to. And I think that Michael has created like the place, the resource, the community for young architects. And it was a huge need, and he's filling it in such a beautiful way.